Hey, what's going on, guys? I just want to make this quick video today. Share with you guys the new accordion that I got. So I want to make this fun little video of like unboxing it. I remember when I first, started getting into la música norteña, and I was looking at YouTube videos like of people unboxing their Gabbanellis and stuff. So it's like really cool to see, and I just want to share with you guys. Maybe somebody out there might be wanting to buy one or interested in one. They just want to see how it looks like. This is like the whole experience, Who doesn't like unboxing a present or something really special? Well, let's get right into it. We got the trusty, dusty navaja. So let's go ahead and do it. All right, here we go. So we got a little bit of styrofoam. Got a few Gabbanelli stickers. Go ahead and take that out. So this is what it's like to unbox the Gabbanelli. We got protected corner pieces. Pretty nice, pretty nice. That's pretty much it. Just the box, some foam to protect it. And here's the box. El estuche. So I remember one of the first times I actually played accordion, and this is when I first started listening to música norteña. One of my dad's friends, he took us to an evento, una tocada. That guy, he had un accordion de teclas, and when I was there, I literally remember like going off to the side. I took the accordion because he let me play it, but I didn't know how to play it. I know a little bit of piano, but I never played an accordion. So I took it to the side. They were playing. I was on the side, like listening to Ramon Ayala, Bonita Finca de Adobe. I was listening to it, and then I literally learned it like right there. Played it right then and there. It was like, it was funny, but that's how I did it. I mean, cuando te nace, But this is it right here. All right, I had to adjust the camera a little bit, but I'm doing this off the iPhone, so I can't really see how it looks and all, but this is it. Cajita. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay. So let me take the camera, show y'all a close up. So there's the color you can see. We got the documentos. Let's open that up. Gabbanelli. Pretty much though, that's how it looks. A little cool little book. Pretty cool. That's what it looks like. So this is the color that I got. I don't know how to say it, but I just wrapped it back up. I was able to get this in the store. I was in Houston, Texas, and I tried it out there. I bought it, and I asked them to get it shipped for me. But I chose these correas right here, these blue ones. A little bit extra, but usually they give you just like default, they give you black ones. But since I was in the store, I was like, let me get these instead. So they put that in there. You always get a little cleaning kit with the Gabbanelli. You put that to the side. I got these other ones as well for my other accordion, the other Gabbanelli that I have. I can't show you guys it right now. I took it there to get it repaired, so that's why I don't have it right now. Currently waiting on it. But I got these two. Pretty nice. Correas. Nice. Alfombra roja, the red carpet. As always. And yeah. You can see here the color. Very beautiful. It's got a little foam on the side to protect it during shipping. So no worries about it getting damaged. Man, I looked at that video, that angle, trash. Alright, so let me show y'all again. Basically, the correas right here. One's for my old accordion, blue one's for the new one. Shoot, that kind of runs. Really nice color. Check it out. Real clean. Let's take off the plastic. See. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Chulada de acordeón, man. Sheesh. Yeah, and I really like the color. I was really thinking that I was gonna buy some blue. You know, I was kind of had that in mind. Really, I wasn't even thinking of buying one, but I just took advantage. I was already there, so I said I might as well buy one. But man, it's such a nice color. I had to get something different, you know, because I had 2 black accordions already. I didn't want to get another black one. Little plastic right here. Take it off. I'll cut it off in a bit. Boom. I didn't put the blue correas on there. Nice color. Soft. These are a little bit wider. I went for the little wider ones just to try them out. See how they feel. They got a nice strap here. Built-in strap. So these are a little bit more expensive, but I think it's worth it. The correas on top. Alright. I got the straps, the correa on. Now I can put it on. Bro, I put this shit on backwards. Oh my gosh. I got too excited, bro. I wasn't even thinking. Soy zurdo ahora. I'm gonna try this again.
What's that? Que ese no era.
Que no era que.
¿Lo cambiaste o qué hiciste? ¿Y va de nuevo?
I bought another one.
Es de 2 tonos de uno.
Un tono nomás.
Oh, ¿qué tono va a ser este?
Fa.
Fa. What about yours?
Ahorita viene mañana. What do you think?
No, si te gustó.
Pues sí.
It was good.
Yeah.
Gusto rompen los géneros, yo soy de otro gusto en colores, pero está bonito. Pero...
That's all, here we go. Got it on now. Sacarle el aire porque cosas de acordeoneros. Check it out. So yeah, this is what I went with. I really like it. It's a nice color. I really like this design right here too. Not something you see a whole lot. Different from the one that I have as well. Nice blue color way. Yeah. See how it sounds. amores que me los quiten. Anyways, this is it right here. I hope you guys liked the video. Maybe I showed you a little bit of what it looks like unboxing a Gabbanelli. Maybe you're thinking about buying one. I recommend it. They're pretty good. There's a lot of brands out there, a lot of different marcas, but I mean, Gabbanelli is the way to go, man. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you watched through the whole thing, leave a like, comment down Accordion if you watched the whole thing, if you got to this point. But yeah, thank y'all. See you.